Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're back with another Spanish recipe, Garbanzas Canarias or Canarias style chickpeas, which is a chickpea dish and it's fairly vegetarian. So this one is from the Islas Canarias or the Canary Islands, which can be found in the Atlantic Ocean, and they follow the Spanish system. And this recipe is fairly, like I said, vegetarian, super quick and easy to make. And I've mentioned this before, I am fond of the Spanish cuisine because of how easy it is and how minimalistic it is in terms of the ingredients and all of that. So this one is one of them, and it's super quick and easy to make. And I'm not necessarily a fan of chickpeas, but I think that this is really, like, for me it's not that bad. It's something I can eat. And there's also another reason why I do talk a lot about the Spanish cuisines, because I am Moroccan and I'm from the northern region, which was once upon a time colonized by Spain or the Spanish. So I think that we've kind of over time got that culture and the cuisine into the part of the northern Moroccan culture as well. So let's show you guys how to make this. For the Canarias style chickpeas, you're going to need 3 potatoes that we've cut into little circles. Here, this is 1 cup of dry chickpeas. Before we cooked them, it was 1 cup, and we've soaked them overnight and then just cooked them in some water. And here we have about 2 tomatoes that we've grated, 1 red pepper, 1 onion that is finely chopped, about 4 cloves of garlic cut into small pieces. And then here we have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup vegetable broth, salt and pepper. So first thing is we're going to put some olive oil into the pan. And we're just going to wait for it to heat up. So once it has heated up, our pan was already hot, so it didn't take a long time. And be careful because olive oil burns quickly. We're going to add in the onions. To the onions, we're adding in the peppers. And to the peppers and onions, we're adding in the garlic. And we're just going to saute them until the onions are transparent and the peppers have softened and wilted. So now we're going to add the spices, the paprika as well as the cumin, and just mix them until they give their smell and flavor, because otherwise they could burn quickly. Once you've stirred in the cumin and paprika, we're going to add in the tomatoes and give it a mix. Once you've mixed in the tomatoes and they've started to bubble, now we're going to add in the chickpeas. And we're just going to gently mix it. So once you've gently mixed it, be careful not to break it or make it mushy. So now we're going to add in the salt and pepper. So once you add in the salt and pepper, you're just going to gently give it a mix. And now we're going to add in the vegetable broth. And once again, give it a gentle mix. So now we're just going to let it cook and until the peppers are soft and the liquid has been absorbed, which shouldn't take more than 20 minutes. And meanwhile, we're going to fry our potatoes. So once the oil has heated up a little, we're going to fry our potatoes. So we're just going to fry the potatoes until they turn nice and golden brown. while our chickpeas are cooking. So the potatoes have been fried and they're ready. We've just put them on some paper towel to soak in the excess oil. And now we're just going to sprinkle some salt on it. And our chickpeas are also ready, so now it's time to serve. This is what it looks like. As you can see, the potatoes look nice and golden brown and it smells good, so I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to try it the way it's usually eaten, just a little bit. The flavors are great. The potatoes are soft from the inside and the chickpeas are not too mushy. And it all gives great textures. The flavors are great. You have that little kick of spice from the paprika, that smokiness, that little bit of spice. But overall, it's a good dish. I mean, as someone who doesn't necessarily like chickpeas, I think this is very good. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.